Oh. What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's YouTube video where we are going to be going over the Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart, and also to some of the requests that you guys are putting in the chat. So go ahead and get your guys' requests since I see ADA right here. I'm seeing some other trades as well, or not trades, but other coin ideas. So go ahead and put those. I'll be going over some of those, but the main thing that we're going to be concentrating on is what's going on with the Bitcoin chart. We just took all-time highs. We tried our best to get up to $50,000, but we just couldn't do it. And why is that? Well, I would, for one, assume that it is possibly because of this RSI divergence. You have up here, you make a higher high on the 5-minute, now you're starting to come down. And so where is the next, if you are not in a trade, if I am not in a trade right now, where is the next area that I'm trying to get into along? And we will be going over all of that. So sit down, scroll down. If you guys aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and like I said, go ahead and send over some of your ideas and stuff like that in the chat. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Brandon. He's going to give you his trader checklist analysis. So let's go ahead and do that. And also, too, yeah, hit that like button. Let's see if we can get up to 50 likes. And Brandon, whenever you're ready, go ahead and share your screen, and we can get into it.
Okay, so yesterday...
Whoa, I have you on the wrong screen. I have to just make sure that people can hear you and they're on the right screen. All right, you're on the right screen. Boom, now we're good.
Okay, so yesterday we were here. This fib pool is here. We were waiting for this support area. You had this consolidate. You had this clear support resistance area that lined up with this 618 that lined up with the weekly money WAP. That also lined up with there was a 100 4-hour, or I think 1-hour EMA lining up there as well. And it also lined up at the time with the value area low of the range. So there's a lot of confluence down there. However, we never got there. You could see that we just made another higher low, and we actually blasted through this resistance. So now currently that's a pretty big support area. So like my next swing long is going to be coming down to this area, testing that, and then continuing up. So I have limits placed there, and yeah, you can clearly see that we have this it's just bullish market structure continuing, higher lows. You see that you have there is a trend line that's here. There's a trend line that's here. So I'm going to keep that in mind. It also actually looks as though there's like there's like a potential wedge coming in here. I'm just going to keep that in mind on the chart. I'm going to hide that for now.
Don't forget to say the numbers too for areas that we're looking at.
Okay, so the support area is at 48170. 48170, that's the support that we're looking at. And I'm going to take a look at the awesome oscillator to see if we have any. Yeah, so we actually have bearish divergences across the board on the 1-hour chart. You have double divergence. You have your high, lower high, lower high, high, higher high, higher high. And then also on the RSI, you actually have from this high to this high bearish divergences as well. And we have this fib channel here that was actually touched perfectly to the golden pocket area. That's where we found our resistance before coming back down. So you can see here that we came up, tested it as resistance, and now we're coming back down. So this fib channel right here has been really extremely nice. And I'm pulling it from the bottom of this wick at 42812. And I'm pulling it from here to these lows around 147, and then just extending it out to this high here at 48324. And so Currently, I am not in a trade. I actually took a long. I took a long off the VWAP. I had a really bad entry. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but um yeah, I had an entry off the VWAP and then I put my stops below this low here because I was expecting us to head up a little bit higher. But as you can see now, we came down, took that liquidity, and we're coming back up now. It's pretty frustrating, but um it is what it is. Let's see. I was targeting the value area high of this little range here at 49400 for my take profit. You can see we never got there. Um, and my next trade setup is actually going to be taking these lows here. And there's a CC here. There's a 618 level that's right below these lows here. So my idea would be to take that liquidity before coming back up for a small little scalp, because below that level actually is like my swing trade area. But I think that we could get a small bounce here prior to coming down to this area, unless we actually just take off from here, which would be extremely frustrating because we literally took it. We just swing failure pattern these lows here, and we're coming back up. But we are in 3-minute bearish market structure finally. So like we have our low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So yeah, this could easily continue down, take this liquidity, come back up a little bit, and then finally come back down to the area of support that I'm looking at. I want to take a look at, yeah, and then you could see here on the 3-minute chart you had bullish divergences on both the awesome oscillator and the RSI. So that was another confluence of a scalp long. I want to go to the 5-minute chart. You could see both on the 5-minute chart as well. You had your bearish divergences. So from this low to this low, you didn't. Okay, and then on the OVV, you had no divergences on the 5-minute. Almost, but not quite up there at the top. The bearish divergences, you had none. You did have bullish divergences from this low to this low here. You could see you had actually double. You had it from here to here first, and then you had it from here to this low here. And so there's that. I'm pretty sure we're bouncing off of some type of EMA, because I know we're currently bouncing off the daily point of control. We're at the daily point of control here at 48990, and you can see that we bounced off of the developing value area low here at 48750 at the time. These blue lines are the developing value areas, so those are going to change as price goes up and down. But the current value area is here at the value area low on the day is currently at 48744, and so we're holding up support here, and let's see if we actually get the bounce let's see if we get the bounce. I'm gonna pull out the EMAs. Yeah, so we had a 55 EMA bounce that was holding us. We had the lower Bollinger Band on the 15-minute holding us up. We also had on the 1 hour, we had the 12 EMA that's holding us up as support right now currently. Yeah, when the EMAs flare out like this, usually it's a good sign. When you get them flaring out like this, it's normally bullish, and you can see that we're testing the top of the Bollinger Band as resistance. So that was another confluence with the totally blanking out right now. The I'm I'm having like a brain fart.
Bollinger Band.
The golden pocket, the golden pocket of the fib channel was lined up nicely with the top of the Bollinger Band on the 1 hour, and then also let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, you could see that the top of the Bollinger Band is clearly holding us down as resistance. Haven't tested any EMAs on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, you can clearly see that it's just being held up by the 26 EMA as well as the 12 EMA. The last time we tested the 100 EMA on the 55 EMA on the 4 hour was back on February 1st. So you could see that this rise has been like bullish. I think definitely coming back down and testing the 55 EMA. That's gonna be a long all day if we actually do come down. However, currently that's a little far out, too far out for me to think about at the moment because I'm trying to look for some scalp setups. And yeah, let's actually go to the daily.
Oh.
Go to the daily. You can clearly see that this was like you're getting just these support resistance flips. You're getting resistance here around 4,700, break through it, test it as support. Same here, resistance at 4,8100. You're breaking up. That's why I'm expecting us to come back down and test it as support. So yeah, you have this resistance, and the support area flips it into resistance for a little bit, come down, test it as support, come back up. This is resistance here at 48,150, and then I expect us to come down to test that because we were held. Somebody was like holding this area down for a good little while. This was like held down for almost like 3 days. And so yeah, I expect us to come back down and test that. Hopefully. I mean, but it's not looking like it's going to at the moment. We are holding the value area low of the day and the point of control as well as the session money web. So yeah, I just I don't want to get into a long here because we have 3-minute bearish market structure. I want to get into a long down here because price is going up, so I don't want to get into a long while price is going up. So my next play, I guess, would be a short, and it would have to be a short like up at the daily value area high somewhere. And it would have to be, I would have to line that up with a fib level. I think that lines up nice with the 786. Let's see. 786 lines up pretty nice with the 786. So that's at 49,650. Depending on how the volume looks, if the volume's like extremely bullish as we're coming up there, I probably won't short. But if we're coming up and it's like pretty normal volume, I guess I'll take a scalp short for like 0.5%. But yeah, other than that, I don't want to short at this 6.6 here. I don't think there's enough liquidity at these highs here. Yeah, potentially we could. I mean, this is a support. This is a resistance and then support. So this could flip into support again. So that could actually be a decent short now that I think about it. What I could do is I could place orders above these highs for a swing failure to come back down, play it back down to the money wrap. I mean, to the point of control. I'm going to place a resistance box here. So this is going to be my resistance of the day. And then the support, the clear support is down below at that green box. Going to be waiting for that. Let's see. I wonder if we get kind of like a three peak, like a three valley pattern. let's say like we come down, that's the 1 valley, that's the 2 valley, and then like if we come down, that's the 3rd valley before coming back up. That could be interesting. Let's see. Let me pull a actually want to pull a pitchfork somewhere. I mean, I have this higher term time frame pitchfork if it wants to show up. Yeah, so I mean that's a higher term time frame pitchfork that I have, that I included like a few days ago. You can clear resistance in the midpoint of the pitchfork, so we could expect it to act as resistance again eventually. Let's see. This could like, I'm not entirely certain, but this kind of looks like this could be like a cup, and then like you come back down for your handle before like coming up again. I'm not sure if I think cup and handle patterns are bottoming patterns, but I'm not sure. I forget. I haven't traded a cup and handle for like a long time. But it looks like that. You have the form, and then if you came back down, tested that as resistance. I'm gonna hide that. I'm just gonna keep that on my object tree for like for an idea. Let me pull up the TPO chart. I'm gonna look at some TPO levels with you guys. I'm gonna move this chart over here so you guys can see it. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put this to 20 million. So you can see that we clearly tested the initial balance low of the New York session at 49310, found resistance there before coming back down. We held the money WAP, we held the daily value area low, and now we're finding resistance at the value area low at 49109. And the value area low this is the time value area low, and the session value area low is at where was that at? This was at 48750. So you could see that they're a bit off, the time value area low and the session value area low. So yeah, again, the session value area low is 48740, and the time value area low is at 49109. So in order for me to take another long, I want us to claim this value area low at 49109 before heading back up to the actual like value area high up here at 49918, which is actually literally the high. So that would mean that we would break all-time highs at that point. But yeah, the daily value area low is at 49635. And so, oh wow, so the point of control of the New York session is at 49677. So I mean, there is confluence for a short up there, because we have our daily value area high, our developing daily value area high around 49680. There is an 886 up there around 497.80, 497.80. Let's see where the point of control of the previous session is. $49896. No, 48986. 489. Yeah, I mean there's decent support here. I'm gonna merge this. I'm gonna merge the Asian session, the Asia session. $48960. 48960. Yeah, we're holding that right now. That lines up with the daily pointing control as well. And the oh man, there's a lot of support here. Oh, I'm gonna be really sad if we bounce from here because I literally got stopped out. Okay. I want to look at what the volume looks like at these lows here. So you came down on 63 million volume at that low. You took the low on 68 million volume. So shorts closing out. You come up on extremely low volume. You're kind of just hovering around here.
Were you talking about your support for the TPO? If you go back to that when you're done with this.
So you're holding this as resistance. You're starting to see shorts open. Yeah, we're not gonna come up from here. So yeah, I'm going to wait for us to take that liquidity. My original idea of the golden pocket down here at let's see. Bear with me 1 second while this loads. Where are we going? Come on. Yeah, so I'm waiting for this low to be taken. It lines up nicely with the CC or the golden pocket. Where is what I'm looking for? So there's that. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much my TA for now. If you want to take over, Neo, you can take over. You can see now we're getting support off the VWAP again. The money WAP is in money WAP. Okay. Yeah, so that's my TA for now. I'm all TA'd out. So I got nothing for now. Now I'm just waiting.
All right. Yeah, we'll transition real quick. Let's do this. Yeah, and just interrupt whenever if you see something.
Okay.
All right. So, for me, just wanted to give a shout out to all the people so far who have been commenting. So let's just go through and read some of this stuff here. Do you think Bitcoin is about to drop due to WSB rally at 4 p.m.? What is the WSB rally at 4 p.m.? I don't know.
The Wall Street boys.
Can you look at GoChain, please? Yeah, sure. So if you guys have any requests, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, put them in the chat, and yeah, we'll go ahead and look at that. I've already got some ideas that I'm looking at, which is my first buy area on Bitcoin is right here. Oh yeah, too, I have to, before I get to GoChain, I have to make a video update because I'm a little bit pissed off that I missed this. Very, very easy trades. Brandon might be a little bit upset as well, possibly, because they were very, very easy. Let's go ahead and record this and record. Yeah, so I won both of those shorts. I got into a long somewhere around here, got out up here, and this happened. Look at how massive the difference is here. Very, very easy on the short with the initial balance because you have the difference. You also have longs kind of falling off here. Very, very easy. And then you come down, you take the lows, and then you put in some difference here at the bottom as well. Very, very easy trade. Trade the high because of the difference. Trade the low because of the difference. Very, very, very simple. Very, very simple. And so let's look on the chart here. So it's like, yeah, you come up. This is where the difference happened here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RSI. What's going on there? It looks like there might have been some possible divergences here. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe there was, maybe there wasn't. Then you come down here, you take these lows and you put in the difference. So that was an easy short. That was an easy long. Wasn't really paying full on attention to that because I was doing other things. So the current price action, let's see. Yeah, so this was the short, this was the long. You come up and take the highs, you take the lows. I am looking down here for a long on Bitcoin. And the reason why that is because of this. You have, if you pull a Fibonacci from here to here, you have your 618 lining up with this once resistance breakthrough. Are we going to come back and test this as support to correct this line right here? Maybe. The next area that I would be looking at is this area right here. And the reason for that is because of this. If you pull Fibonacci from here to here, you get the CC right here. And then I'm also looking down here as well because there is, you know, some lows down there. And we are coming down on Bitcoin. So let's see. So I need to set up my alerts. And then again, I'll get to the GoChain. I'll get to all of the questions that you guys have. Also, one reason why we could be having some support is because we have the sexy trend line on the 2 hour. Support. We broke this trend line to the upside, so this could be more of a pump action that could be happening here pretty soon on Bitcoin. So we could see the price come back down to here, touch this trend line again, which means it could come down to here and then bounce up again. So we'll see how that works out, but that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I missed the short here. I was short here and I was short here. I took 2 shorts right here, longed right here. So I've won 3 trades out of 3 trades this morning. Didn't take this, didn't take this. There's probably something here as well. Let's see. But yeah, so in the current price action, there's nothing to really take and trade until we take this low. And so I will be on the lookout for that. Let's see. Yep. So let me set my alerts and then we'll get to it. I can't believe I recorded all that. I shouldn't have recorded that. That's going to suck watching back all that. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see the previous levels. Okay, we have the Asia stuff down here. We have the London. The previous day levels are nowhere to be found. Do we have order blocks? Do we have 4 hour point of controls? What do we got going on here? GoChain! We have to do the lows. Where are the lows? Let's put our alerts. Guys, we got to put our alerts. If I'm going to be doing other random altcoins, I have to put on my alerts. There's this one, and there's this one. And then for the high side, let's put this. Let's also do this. Turn on all of these bad boys. Holy Jesus. Alright. So sorry that you guys that I'm not getting to these requests. But I gotta set all this stuff up before I do any of that. So I've got my... I'm gonna set my alerts here in case we take these highs. Take this right here. And we will have a big high for the all-time high right here. And we will set this bad boy up right here. So again, looking for this area, I think I just have to place a limit order there. Because I haven't been doing that, and I need to do that, like Brandon has said. Do you have a limit order waiting there too, Brandon?
Yeah, I have a limit order underneath that low.
Underneath this one right here?
6. Yeah.
Underneath, what 6-6 does that line up with? What if you pull the fib from here to here or something?
If you pull it from where it got impulsive.
Right here or right here?
I don't know. Your mouse isn't like, yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh, so you have it right here.
Yeah, like at the 6-6.
Yeah, so maybe put one like right here. What level is this? 48444.
This would be like a perfect three values pattern on the 3-minute chart.
I'm going to ladder into this. Holy Jesus. Stop loss. I don't even know what the stop loss would be. Let's just put some random number. Okay, it's coming down. All right. It's coming down more.
We took the low. Okay, hallelujah. So I'm filled. I'm in that.
Oh my God. I literally... Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute. I literally missed the low of that move.
What?
I literally missed the low of that move on my limit order by 50 cents. I think it actually hit my limit order and didn't fill me. And I marked it in, and I'm not exactly sure if that's a good idea. It's probably not. I'm probably going to get stopped out.
So you market it in now?
Yeah, because I didn't get filled on my limit. We literally came down to the tip. To the fucking tip.
Yeah.
Like this, I'm not even kidding you. We literally came down. My limit order was sitting right here, and I didn't get filled.
I feel you.
I don't know if this is the right choice. I hope it is.
If we don't get a bounce.
Oh wow, my entry is only 0.2% away from the low.
Very nice. And you market bot.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm not too okay, so I have to record all this after I put in my thing. Do you want to record anything if you're in the trade?
I'm trying to get EXO to load. So let me try to get EXO to load.
I think I'm gonna get stopped out. 48550. Yeah, I just got stopped. So it's pointless. Just got stopped. I had my stop loss right here. So I guess I should have kept my limit order there.
We're at the 6-6 now at 48411. Is there any bullish divergences?
I need to just put a limit order. Am I recording this shit? Oh, fuck.
Let's see. Yeah, there's that.
I feel like it wants to keep coming down more. Oh fuck, I'm in a long now. Again. I'm in another long. I'm in another long.
Okay, so I actually got filled on a swing. My swing. I got filled on my swing order now.
There's too much going on. I can't really concentrate. It's too difficult.
So now, let's see. So yeah, I'm underwater. I'm underwater on my scalp, 48247. But I literally just got filled on my swing because my scalp idea did not play out like at all. I wanted the swing failure pattern. Yeah, here, give me. I'm gonna share my screen.
All right. Yeah, because I'm not even saying anything. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So
I'll let you know when you're. I'll let you know when you're good.
This was my scalp idea.
Wait. Okay, go ahead. You're full screen now.
My scalp idea was for us to take these lows here and pop back up, like for a swing failure pattern, but that didn't happen. I wanted us to come back up to test the money WAP, but that hasn't happened. So yeah, I'm about to get stopped out on that. However, I literally just got filled on my swing setup, which is where is it? It's right here. So yeah, I'm filled on my swing setup. You can clearly see we tested this previous support area. So I'm curious to see if we end up coming up from here, or we test a little bit more support before flying back up. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, it looks as though I'm gonna get stopped out again on this scalp. Where is this? Yeah, I mean, you clearly have support at the 0.32 fib, 0.382 fib on the fib channel. So I mean, it would be cool if we do head up from here. I don't really see much buying coming in, but at the same time, this move down was not really shorts opening. It was shorts closing, longs closing, open interest just falling off a cliff. So I mean, if we do head up from here, that would be amazing. I'm not holding my breath. For my scalp trade, I'm holding my breath for that scalp trade because I don't want to get stopped out. But yeah, but yeah, on the swing, it's looking okay.
We just touched the previous day high.
So yeah, I mean, I want to see buy volume coming in right now with like a lot of positive delta. Because I want to go to this hourly chart and see. No divergences. No, nothing. This hourly chart, this hourly candle was 227 million. We're 30 minutes in. Let's see, the average hourly candle is around 262 million. That's back since, let's see, when did I start that? Back since February 11th. So the average 1 hour candle is around like 226 volume transacted. If you go back from February 11th. And I literally just did that by going to Exo charts and exporting the Excel spreadsheet onto an Excel spreadsheet and just taking the average of all those candles combined since February 11th. So I'm gonna zoom back in here. I'm gonna take this fib channel off real quick. Wait, no, that was the pitchfork. I'm gonna take the fib channel off. I'm gonna take this off here because this is not the correct fib pull anymore. It's actually here. This is the correct fib pull. So that's not going to be my resistance anymore. My resistance is going to be where's my fixed range? That looks like a nice short. Oh, it looked like a nice short with the value area highlighting. I mean, it still looks like a decent. Yeah, I really don't know. I guess. Where's the developing value area? The developing value area is up here. That's the session. Let me take this off.
Jesus fucking Christ.
So
I should have just stayed in my short from this morning. I'd be so God.
So the value area low is at 48735. I want us to reclaim that before getting like excited at all. But then I mainly want to see us reclaim the point of control at 48987 before getting any type of excited, because yeah, this could totally fall down, especially because there's like not really much buy pressure coming in. I'm gonna have to switch my screen to show you guys what I'm looking at again.
Oh boy. I shorted twice.
Man, you better stop.
Already.
You better stop huffing and puffing over there.
Did I short it at 49447?
Does everybody in the chat agree? Gotta tell this guy to quit huffing and puffing.
What the fuck are you doing over there, dog?
Okay, so, oh no.
Oh, you just huffed and puffed, motherfucker.
Yeah, because I'm about to lose. The fuck?
Dude.
But you huffing and puffing about a short
Man.
you closed out of hours ago. That's the
Man,
difference.
I'm huffing and puffing out this bitch, man. I'm out here huffing.
I think I got stopped out. Yep, I got stopped out. I got stopped out of my short, or my scalp short. Yeah, man, that's two
Scalp
that's
short,
two
scalp long?
Two scalp long. Yeah, I just got stopped out of my scalp long.
We have some weakness showing up on the CC. Dude, what is my stupid ass dog? This guy just like jumps off the bed for 2 seconds and hops back on, and jumps off the bed and hops back on. I'm still in mine.
You're still in your long?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm so confident that this swing is gonna play out, but
Then
like,
just get back
both
in.
Both of my scalps are not going to, or both of my scalps didn't.
Wait, so you're still in your swing long, but you tried 2 scalp longs and you got stopped?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, I just got filled on my swing long.
Where's your entry?
My entry's at
Can you do like the entry exit position thing on TradingView so we can see? Sorry guys, I want to acknowledge really quick while Brandon is doing that. I want to acknowledge the fact that I am seeing you guys asking all of this stuff about like ADA, Doge, ETH, all these other things. But you guys have to understand that we are literally live trading right now. And so once we kind of get an understanding of what's going on in the current situation, we'll get to the requests. But right now is not the time for us to put on our YouTuber hat. We're literally trying to trade right now. So don't worry. I see you guys. I got you guys. We'll get to you in a second. Keep the questions coming. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being patient. Because we're not being patient.
Here's my swing.
Oh, well, that's a sexy ass entry.
My entry's at 48305. And so
where's my entry at? 48305? 48305?
Yeah. 485. Wait, 48. Yeah, 48305. Yeah, 48305.
Damn. Why did you choose 48305?
Because that was the top of these wicks here.
Oh wow, okay. That's nice. Yeah, mine's at 48385, so I'm $80 ahead above you.
Okay. What is that? Is that a scalp or?
No, I've got like a 0.5% stop loss on that though.
That's a scalp. Yeah.
No, it's not. I've got a 0.5% stop loss, and then I'm going to
Yeah, 0.5% stop loss for me is a scalp trade.
I'm not treating it as that though, because it's like if we start crashing down from here, then I want it to come down and get a better entry.
Yeah, if we start crashing down from here, then my idea was invalidated.
And crashing down from here to you
idea-
is obviously stopping you out down there.
Yeah, breaking below these lows.
Yeah.
Because my idea is we hold this as support and then continue up. And it also lines up with a 236, I think. Let's see. Where is it? Did I pull this? No. Let's see.
Damn. If I got up on time and just got to the computer and just clicked short, I'd have shorted the exact time.
Yeah, there's a lot of support here, so there's
This
a lot of
does
support.
not look like there's any follow through.
It's too soon. It's too soon to say.
Yeah. Let me do this really quick. Again, I see that there's tons of questions in the chat. If you guys want your question answered, you guys can go over to Instagram and then follow me, follow Brandon. Just send me a message there. I have all these to go through, and so just send me a message there. And then once we're done, kind of like scalp trading or getting our trade set up, whatever we're doing, we will go answer the Instagram questions and then get to the live questions. So thank you guys for understanding, even if you don't understand. So yeah, Brandon, just let me know whenever you're
You can take over.
ready to turn it over. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess I have got a lot of recording to do myself, I think. Let's see here. So there's this. Okay, what the fuck am I recording? Alright, so I ended up... I'm in this trade right here at 48385. And my stop loss is 0.5%. And I'm in it because we have the green box, the 618, the support resistance flip of this section right here, and so I'm in that. My first take profit is going to be 0.5% above this, and after that I'll just let the rest of it ride. I did try to market long right here. Let me see if I can find where that was at. I did try to market long, and that was... I tried to get it at 48550 and got stopped out at 48399.5. So I did try to market long here and got stopped out here. Why did I try to market long right here? Because I'm an idiot. Why would I market long right here? What am I doing? Oh, I think what happened is that yeah, we were coming down or something like that. We started to come back up, and I thought that was the end. That was stupid. That was dumb. I deserved to lose that trade. Why would I market long? Right, I wasn't paying attention. Clearly, I wasn't paying attention. Why would I market long at this low? That makes literally no sense. And so I think I'm about to take profit on this trade here. Let me see if I can do something here. What am I doing? Yeah, anyways, I'm about to take profit on this order right here. Hopefully it does happen, but yeah, if this ends up working out, then I would be looking to just keep trailing the stops as we go up. I'd be also looking to get into a short around here somewhere. So, wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, damn. I just realized I had my take profit. Okay, here we go. About to take profit on this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay, yep, just took profit. So now I'm going to move my stop loss into profit. And there we go. So now I'm going to be looking to possibly get into a short somewhere around here. And this trade is now a win. Like the trade is win. If price does come back down, it'll stop me out around here, and then I'll probably possibly look to get back into another trade, because we could easily just, this could be the top, you come back down, take these lows, hit this 618, and then you start to bounce up from there. I guess too, I have to record what's going on in the moment. The volume, the only thing that I see here is that we have some weakness going on here. And at the low that we had, you know, again, we have that weakness showing up. Oh my lord, look at that. 87%, 2.5 million. Jesus Christ. 82, 4.2 million. God damn. 207? Oh my lord. Yeah. So, we do have some difference going on right here currently. We'll see how that plays out. RSI, let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, we obviously had some. Please don't tell me. Why did I long here? What the fuck was I doing? This is the time to long right here, and obviously this is the time to long. I have no idea what I was thinking. I really don't. So yeah, that's going to do with that. So now let's do this. All right, let's take a look, boys and girls. Here we go. Finally,
and you're
we are here. Okay, all right. If so, as you guys see, there's a bunch of people here talking. If you guys want your question to be like answered and I don't skip over it, or if you guys want a coin request, yeah, go ahead and hit me up here in the direct messages. I'll go ahead and answer some of those. So here we go. We'll just start out with this. Here we go. We'll start out with this, and then we'll move on to the live questions. Hey Neo, thanks for streaming daily. I have 2 questions for you. Oh yeah, we have 2 questions for you. Oh yeah, you guys can also donate. Those take the priority. Instagram messages and donations take priority. I have 2 questions for you. When drawing horizontal support resistance trend lines, how do you deal with wicks? Do you draw it through the wicks or the candle bodies? So the horizontal support and resistance lines, I just draw it as an area. I mean, you could look at it as the wicks, but I just look at it as an area where it's like this whole section right here. You can just see this wick, this wick, this wick, this wick right here. There's wicks right here. So it's like just this whole little section, And as you can see, if you just take this little box right here and you put it, if you take the middle, if you would have just longed in the middle of this box, then that would have been perfect. And so, yeah, since trading is never 100% precise, you know, you never want to just use the body, and you never just want to use the top of the wick. That's just my opinion. And here we go right here. And then the next part of it is question 2. Lots of altcoins on the weekly. RSI are greater than 95, does that indicate correction is guaranteed in the coming weeks, or can we continue indefinitely in a bull market? I would say that you can 100% continue with a 95% RSI or 95 RSI. You'll just get some pullback. Like, let's see here if Bitcoin has any of that stuff. So yeah, you see here, it's like, even if you're up here, you get a little bit of a pullback and then you come back up. Or even here, you get a little bit of a pullback and then you shoot up, and you get a pullback and then you shoot up. And so yeah, you know, you come up to these 95s, you get a tiny bit of a pullback and then you can just keep shooting up. So yeah, when you get around 95, 100 RSI, it's probably, there's going to be a pullback. There's like a high, oh my God, I'm recording all this. There's a high percentage chance that there's a pullback that's going to come. And so, yeah, just be aware of that. If you're way up here, there's a high probability that you're going to get a pullback. So hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, that doesn't necessarily mean the bull market is over. It's still probably going to keep coming up like Bitcoin is doing. So yeah, thank you for that question. Let's go back over to here on the 3 minutes. And here we go. Just got another question from who the fuck is Hafa? Thank you for this. I'll go ahead and read that. And again, Instagram and donations get priority. Hey man, big fan. Just wondering, what is your opinion on DEX? Thank you. All right, DEX. Let's take a look. And again, Brandon, obviously this is the time where you can just interrupt whenever. Wait a minute, we're getting some difference on the volume right now. Do I short this? Let me see what's RSI looking like. I don't know. All I see is difference, so I can't really take this. Well, I mean, we do have a support resistance flip that we just hit. Holy shit, this is a difficult decision right now. This is really difficult to decide if I short this right now or not. I guess I should record this. What are you doing, dog? Go. Jesus Christ. There is some difference going on right now. But the RSI is doing this. So there's no divergences here. But we did just hit the support resistance flip right here. And if we look at the volume, longs are just, they opened up and then they're just nowhere to be found. So is this leading? Or is this real? People are just buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. It's like it's not moving. Oh, Jesus. I think I have to.
Not too much buying going on.
Yeah, I think I have to, but I don't know.
I mean, you might as well. You have your RSI divergence. Is that what you said?
No, there's none. There's just support resistance flip right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
there's
mind.
Just support resistance flip, and
I was about to say,
difference.
if you had your CBD, or if you had your CC and your RSI divergence, I was about to tell you, man, you better take that shit now.
Oh no, I was going to.
You were just saying it. Okay, yeah.
But now I'm just like, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, except with the super low. I'm taking this, but with super low position size.
Yeah, we're just at massive support. Like, this area is a massive support area. So it's just like, I would wait to. I mean, well, we have different styles, so yeah. I'm not gonna say. You gotta do you. I don't want to say anything that's in the short. Persuade you.
Oh, don't worry. Your data. There's nothing that you could tell me that would persuade me anything, and I hope that's the same thing for me. Whatever I say, I hope I don't persuade you. I shouldn't.
On scalps, yeah.
Yeah, you persuade me on swing trade ideas.
Why did you take this swing?
I'm in a long right now. I just took profit. That's something that I'm just gonna let ride. Yeah, it is. I'm just gonna let it ride. I personally believe
you
that
haven't
this is an
you
area
haven't
right
closed
here.
out.
Yeah,
You
no,
haven't
no,
closed
I
out.
took profit, so no matter what, this trade is going to be
Okay.
profitable. But to me,
Okay.
this is the swing trade. So I'm using your
Where?
idea, but just
What's
not your
this? Oh,
stop
right
loss.
here. The swing trade is back, but yeah, I think if we get I guess we just have different opinions.
Yeah, so your idea is like this is the swing trade idea, and my idea is invalidated if we take this low. And I'm
Yeah,
saying
for sure.
I'm taking this trade also, but my idea is invalidated if we keep coming down here because the next area to long for me is here.
Well,
And so
yeah,
it's like,
that is the next area. Yeah.
oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that is the next area.
let me see. I've got to put my stop loss so I can get stopped out properly.
Actually, I think by that time, if we do, yeah, I'm gonna do some higher term time frame. I'm gonna do some more higher term time frame TA.
Word. All right, yeah, I gotta update this
Okay.
real quick when I record. Let me know when you're done. I gotta go over this guy's Dex question, and then we can just get, if you see anything, you can just let me know. Let's delete this. This is 48587.5. This is right here. This is right here. So I gotta record this. Alright, so I'm in this short right here because of the support resistance flip possibility right here. And also on top of that, there is the difference going on, but I don't know. I feel like this is leading. There wasn't any longs opening. Now the longs decided to open. The only problem was that there was no shorts, and the problem was that there's no RSI divergence. So this is literally one.
We do have bearish divergences on the 1 minute right now.
Possible confluence of a support resistance flip, and then we have the possibility of some difference playing out here. Some very slight possibility of some difference playing out.
We have bearish CC divergences right now on the 1 minute chart.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And so but it could be leading, because if the longs step in at all, it's erased. Yeah,
it could always be leading. Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. It's a little it's premature to take this short because there's literally no other reasons. There's no fib levels. There's no nothing.
Yeah.
So
that's why.
That's why when I'm taking this trade right now, I already know that this is high risk, and I used a very small position size because I'm trying to play it off of support resistance flip and CC difference.
You mean divergence?
Well, I say difference when there's divergence, and then I say weakness when there's weakness, like this. I'll show you.
All right. Okay.
Whoops! I stopped sharing my screen. I gotta share this one with you, and then I'll share this one with the people. Well,
dude, swing trading and day trading is so much more relaxing.
So there's weakness here because there isn't as much selling into this low as there was here. So it's weakness. So it's like when the CC line is like this. So it's like when the CC line is inside of the price, there's weakness, but then obviously when the CC line is outside of the price, then that's divergence.
Yes.
And so it's like there's weakness because this line, CC line, should be lower, low, CC line.
There's no, that's at the low, right?
Yeah, there's no divergences at the low. There's only weakness. Yeah, that's why I'm scared right here. I want to see divergence at the low. I don't want to see weakness.
That's why you're scared about what?
Scared about this long play, trying to get this long to play out, is because there's no divergence at the low. I want there to be divergence. I don't want there to be weakness.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could still come down a little bit before shooting back up.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Is like, I'm waiting for that divergence.
But that's why my stop loss is so wide. It's a swing trade. So I have that space for it to, if it wants to come down a little bit more before coming back up.
Yeah. For me, I'm just like, hey, I already took profit, and if we come down lower, then I'll take another trade then.
Yeah.
But that's why it's like I don't have to worry right now.
I wonder if we come down to
Where is my? Oh, here it is.
6-6 of this. You know how we found, because we hit we had a support resistance flip on the 1 minute chart. Like we literally had that, and then I'm wondering if we come down to the 6-6.
I'm about to get stopped out of my long. If I get stopped out of my long, and then my short doesn't take profit, that would be so funny. That would be so funny.
This drop was on longs closing out, so
I'm literally about to get stopped out of my long. I just got stopped out of my long. I just got stopped out of my long.
Stopped out in profit though.
Yeah. And now we're coming back up. Oh no! Wait! Oh no! Wait! Uh-oh! Do you see that?
What?
Is this really about to happen here? Look,
yeah,
remember how often it does this? Oh no.
Yeah.
If I got out of my long trade just for us to pop up from here from the 618, I'm gonna scream.
I mean, you already took profit, so it's not like.
Oh my goodness. I will fucking scream. I will scream my head off. If that happens. If we get front run on this.
You already took profit.
Oh no. No, I'm talking about I took profit and then I literally got stopped out by the dollar on this on the day trade swing trade long idea. Then if we start to continue to head up from there and I got stopped out and it's like I got front run on my short, got out of my long position, and then we start to head back up and then I get stopped out of my short, and it's like that is the ultimate fuckage right there. Is they stop me out of my long.
You already made money, so.
But it's not. You're not listening to the point that I'm making here. I got stopped out of my long by the dollar.
I guess I personally wouldn't care.
Well, I do, because this is what's holding us back from actually being free. This exact scenario is that we don't know how to allow things to ride. That's why it's frustrating, and I care so much.
Well, it's hard to let things ride when you have like an extremely tight stop loss. And usually, yeah.
Well, when you take profit, you move your stops into profit.
Yeah, but like you took a scalp. You took a scalp setup. Like.
No, I didn't.
Because your stop loss was so tight.
Never mind. Anyways, I'm still in this short.
Oh, you're still in the where? From where?
Right here.
Let's see.
Oh. Are you fucking joking? I'm still recording all of this. Why the fuck am I recording still? This is exactly happening.
You sound
exactly
like
I said.
You sound like a super grumpy, like like you're like why is this happening right now?
I can't believe this.
Yo, if you guys are enjoying this as much as I'm enjoying it, put some laughing emojis in the chat.
Oh shit! I got a donation.
Laughing emojis in the chat.
Hey, oh, Mamba for life. He's always donating. Why did the alts drop so drastically? What should hodlers do? How so we know to sell and buy low? Why did the alts drop? Oh my fucking god! I just got stopped. This is exactly what I said was gonna happen. I can't believe this.
So Why wouldn't you move your stop like a little bit lower if you knew or if you thought that we would do that? You know what I'm saying?
Because
You
I
got what I'm
don't
saying?
know when to move my stop into profit and when not to move it into profit. You fucking joking right now, dude. So what ended up happening is I shorted here. Take profit was here. My stop loss for my long was right here. Literally got stopped out by $1, and now we're starting to shoot back up. And exactly got stopped out of my long. Didn't hit my, got front ran on my take profit, and then now we shot up. I got stopped out of my short, and now we're probably about to come back down. I'm fucking heated. I'm so mad. I'm so fucking mad. I am so angry right now.
Dude, I'm pissed too from my
I am so angry.
I'm angry too because of my scalps that I lost earlier.
I'm so fucking angry.
Because I literally got stopped out on my last scalp by let me make you feel a little bit better.
Oh, I don't give a shit about you.
Point 0.06%. I got stopped out on my long scalp at 0.06%, and I would be in profit right now.
I think your
So, I mean,
your other one, you
yeah.
got stopped out by 0.03%. That shit was funny.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, the Keck W. So why did the alts drop so drastically? Again, if you guys, the priority for the questions are the donations and the Instagram messages here. So here's a donation, and then we've got these questions here that I've got to go over. So thank you guys very much. And then once those questions are answered, then I'll get over to the chat. So if you guys want your guaranteed question or guaranteed coin to look at, make sure you guys do either one of those. All right, because I am really pissed off right now because as you can see, price is coming right back down. I guarantee you, I got stopped out.
Did you want to get
here?
Did you want to get into a short?
I want to get the fuck out of here. That's what I want to do. I don't want to be here right now. I want to get the fuck out of here right now because I don't want to be here.
What do you mean?
I'm pissed off. I want to leave. I want to leave. I want to leave.
Breath.
All right, so why do you think all the alts dropped so drastically? I think it's just because they were so overbought. I mean, most of them were just complete and total moonage. Complete and total moonage.
Usually when Bitcoin starts pumping, like and breaking all-time highs, the alts drop. The alts start to drop. You can see every BTC pair is red today because Bitcoin is pumping. So that's why it happens.
Look at all these. All of these are BTC pair symbols. Look at all of these. Just absolutely getting killed. So yeah, when BTC goes up, everybody's probably going to want to FOMO into Bitcoin. Everybody's going to want to probably put all of their resources into Bitcoin. And that's what's going to drop all of the price, except obviously here RVN USDT is up 47%. Yeah, 47. WRX, I remember WRX, 10%. But everything else is just getting absolutely not annihilated, but I mean, you know, GRT was up by like 5 trillion, and now it's come back down a little bit. So, you know, it's fine. All of these things, look at this. You know, you just have these massive moves. You can't expect this parabolic run to have no pullback at all. So, yeah, I think it's kind of normal for that to happen. So, thank you. I appreciate that question. Now we got to go over DEX. And yeah, Brandon, obviously, just step in if you want to do an update.
Okay.
Woo. Yeah. I'm still really mad. Dex. Here's a question. Again, the links to my Instagram and Brandon's Instagram in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out. And you guys, I also wanted to mention that let me I'm gonna share this volume chart real quick while I pull this up. Is it this one? Yes, it is. Okay. So we'll go over Dex, and I just wanted to remind you guys that we got a we got a strike from YouTube saying that one of our videos was spam. So if you guys could go in the description box below, there is a link that says help remove this strike. Help remove this strike. You guys click that, it'll take you over to that Twitter post that I just had for you guys. And if you guys could retweet that and then at Team YouTube and let them know that this is not a spam channel, because if we get one more strike, we won't be able to live stream or upload for an entire week because of their like false flagging. So we really need your guys' help in getting YouTube to see that we did absolutely nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. So if you guys could do that, it would be much appreciated. And yeah, big shout out to all the people who have done that. You have Mike D who said, hope you can fix this soon. That's not normal. What are some other people? Yusuf is saying, what's good? Why are you trying to delete Neo? So yeah, just go to here, click on this, comment and reply to Team YouTube and let them know that they fucked up. So Dex. Do we have Dex on here? No, I don't have Dex, so I guess I gotta look that up. Dex USD. What? Oh, DXT USD. Is this it? All I see is Dex USDT Tether on Poly, whatever this is called. What is your opinion on Dex? Is this? I hope this is a coin. Yeah. Also, too, if you guys have any questions, tell me what the pair is, and then also tell me an exchange that it's on. Because if this is the coin, then I would say that it is doing what all of the altcoins are doing basically right now, which is they're just getting themselves a bit of a pullback because they had this run. And all the coins started pumping on January 21st, basically. And so, yeah, right now it's just getting a little bit of a pullback. Let's do a little bit of TA on this coin. Let's pull from here to here. So we did find some support on the 0.5, what is this called? The 0.5 speed fan. And then now it's possible that we come down and get support on the 618. Let's pull that. So as you guys can see, we have the golden pocket kind of possibly lining up for the speed fan pullback. So if we do get a pullback and we do continue to drop, that could be an area to go ahead and get a buy in on the USD pair. So let's see what Dex BTC. Yeah, there is no Bitcoin pair, so I'm not sure, but hopefully that is the right coin. But that's all I'm really seeing right now. So if I were you guys, for this non-financial advice, I'd set alerts below this low, so that way you can be alerted and see kind of what's going on with that. And then I would also set an alert above these highs right here on the 12-hour to see if we do come above that. And that way, if you're alerted to this, maybe it's going to continue to break up, and so maybe you could just get yourself into a long right here if it does show that there's a lot of strength while it's pushing up. So I guess that would be my opinion on that coin. So thank you for that. Also, too, big shout out to the new followers here on Instagram. I thank you guys very much. And let's get to the next question here. So here we go. Right here. What's that chart called where you can see how many buyers and sellers are coming in? That is ExoCharts. So this is ExoCharts right here. You see, just type this in, exocharts.com. So thank you for that question. So let's go over to here. Main screen. Oh God. Oh my goodness. I'm in Atom and CRV. Bro, buy ADA now. So it's Jan Peter. I just saw this randomly. Jesus fucking Christ, man. He says ADA, so let's do ADA. Let's go check back on Bitcoin right now so I can see this. Let's do another one of these right here. So still waiting for this high to be taken. Let's take a look at this. Take these lows. Let's see this low right here. This low right here.
I like this music.
Oh yeah, I don't even know what it is. I'm trying to decide, do I short right now or not? We just hit the money line.
Yeah, I need to start looking for some scalp ideas.
Don't you have to go? Do you have to go to work today?
No, not today, thankfully.
Okay.
But
we hit the money line.
I need to start while I'm chilling in this swing trade. I need to look for scalps. So
yeah, we hit the money line and we have divergence on the 30-second and the 1 minute.
For
we
the
have
RSI.
literally
The RSI.
Yeah, and longs are kind of falling off. I think I need to get into one. Oh fuck!
Like
I was trying to limit. I tried to place a limit order and I accidentally marketed.
It looks like there's a. We have like a rising wedge.
I didn't mean to do this.
What music was that? I liked it.
The one before this song?
What is this? No, whatever this is. It's like some. I like it.
I really like this. I think it's like Irish.
Yeah.
Celtic.
Yeah. It just has like good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah. It just makes you want to dance like those people dance.
Yeah. I like this. Has good vibes. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, I'm in a short.
There is a rising wedge on the 1 minute chart as well. Oof. Oh yeah, do I take a short here?
48819.5. I'm only taking it based off of money line and divergence, which is, I don't know if that's enough confluence. But I feel like every time we touch the money line, we've got to take it. But this right here is wait, are we at the 618 if you pull from here to here? Not yet.
We are almost.
But we front ran, motherfucker. Us loves to front run everything, so.
Yeah, we do have 1 minute bearish. And we have 1 minute bearish. On the R side, we have.
What?
We have 5 minute. We almost have 5 minute bearish. Oh, we actually do have 5 minute bearish on the R side. Damn. Wait a minute. Do we have anything on the CC?
Not sure.
Yeah, oh fuck, I might be too late. Yeah.
Well, this is where you say you gotta pay more attention to your scalping ideas.
Well, yeah, I wasn't looking for anything, and then once I actually started looking for it, I was too late.
I hate that.
Well, I mean, I'm not actually. Yeah, it's not even too late yet. It's really not even too late yet.
It depends on what you think.
There's not even like 1 minute divergences yet. On the CC.
I'm in this scalp short right now. I'm just recording this real quick. Scalp short right now.
Actually.
And the reason why is because there is some divergence already on the 30-second. We also hit the money line, and so there's some on the 1 minute.
to be patient with this.
We could possibly get a rejection from this 40-50 line on the 5-minute. But yeah, let's see how that plays out.
And we have a falling wedge, or a rising wedge. Oh, fuck.
Whatever. All right, so what am I doing right now?
So can I show you my setup?
Yeah, you want to record whatever you want to record, yeah.
Yeah. I'm just, it just happens so often where, I'm gonna share my screen right now.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh fuck, I'm still recording. I'm gonna get stopped. Yeah, the style that guy does.
Often where,
go ahead.
It's just happens so often where it's like I'm getting in here. So yeah, we have a clear like CC rising wedge. But it's like it's happened so often where I literally get stopped out and then we come down. So I'm thinking to myself, like, why don't I place my trade where I place my stop? You know, so why don't I just instead of doing what I've been doing, why don't I just do this instead?
I mean, you could try.
Because you know how many times in the past 4 or 5 days have I gotten stopped out by like 0.05, 0.08, 0.10? Like, it's happened over and over and over again these past few days. It's just like, I think, man.
Just do it, man. Remember, you can't hesitate, like Daniel says.
Do what? You mean take the short now? Or you mean do what I think I should do, like put my
do both. If you have 2 accounts, you only have 1 more account.
Yeah, this is why I don't want to do it. This right here. So let's see if we get so we have weakness, but that doesn't mean jack shit. So we are gonna come up higher. Oh. Yeah, I'm kind of happy I did not take that. Wait, let me pull the fib from a little bit higher. Does this line up with anything? This is where it got impulsive. And so
I think
that would actually be, I think that actually lines up with the value area high. Let's see. Where's my fixed range? Did I delete it? No. Oh, I just pulled it from a different area. Okay, I'm gonna hide this. Does that line up with the value area high? No, it doesn't. We are literally coming up to the point of control. So that would line up really, dang. So you have a point of control along with 7/8, along with like a 6/6 area. Oh man. All right, let's see. Fuck. Scalping is so difficult. Fuck. We are getting, let's see. So, okay, let's see if we bounce from the VWAP as support. Let's see if we bounce from the VWAP as support.
Oh yeah, if you guys are new, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. We appreciate that. Thank you very much. If you spam in the chat, you will get a timeout and your question will not be answered. Again, if you guys have a question that you so desperately need to ask us, we're live scalping. So if you guys want it, send it over to Instagram. That way it gets queued up and not just lost in the randomness.
Shoot it over to Instagram. We'll take your questions here. I just want to shout out also to the people that followed me yesterday. Amon, Zook, Ludo6607, John_Sleazy. Thank you for your question. Richard Rocks. This is my Instagram here. This is my Instagram. This is Neo's Instagram. Shoot us a DM and we'll be able to answer your questions like more quickly if you have any questions. So I'm gonna get back to the chart now. I mean, there was conflict. I would have been in the short right now, but I just want to be patient. I want to stop.
That's what I'm saying. It's like
I want to stop taking these premature like entries, because we could easily come up here and then come back down. It's like,
yeah, but the problem is that you could literally do both, and so that's why I'm saying you don't have enough skill or enough trades under your belt to say which one is going to work out or not, and so you just need to take both of them. Well, that's the thing.
I don't want to do both because my first idea usually gets, like, lately my first idea, which is taking the trade here, would get stopped out up here, you know? So it's like,
okay.
So it's like, I'm not trusting that first idea. I'm not trusting that first idea anymore. I'm trying to think. So I'm having my first idea, and then I want to think. I want to give myself the contrary idea of like, okay, so it could potentially actually do this instead of just having my first idea be what I take.
Makes sense. I don't trust any of my ideas. That's why I just try to take all of them.
Because, yeah, let's see if we hold. Because if I'm taking this short from here and then we actually hold the value area low here, it's like, you know, we're gonna head up higher, and I don't see any sell pressure coming in. There's like barely any, so it's like I don't see the short yet. So I'm thinking at least give me some like divergences or something, but no.
There is some on the 1 minute and 30 second.
I want some like 3 minute divergence. Oh, we do have 3 minute divergences here.
If you're trying to scalp, you got to be on the 30 second and 1 minute. Fuck, this thing is gonna pop up from the VWAP. Maybe I should do that. I could do that.
We could still go up to the 786.
I'm in a long right now. If I can find my. No, I'm going to long because we're retesting the money line right now. And we're bouncing off that. And we both believe that price is going to come up some more. So it's like, why not long off the money line? Like, if we both believe price is going to go up, why not just long? So I'm in a short. I'm going to get stopped out of that. And so I'm going to get myself into a long right now. So that way I can get stopped out of that too.
Okay.
That's my goal, is to get stopped out of everything that I take. One of the things that I want to learn how to try to do is get into scalp trades using limit orders. That would be pretty nice. All right, I'm in a long right now.
Oh, yo. Oh.
So
we go over to
there.
Yeah.
So I'm in a long and a short at the same time.
Okay.
Which one is the better idea? I don't know, because I suck too much. So just taking everything.
So we do have, wow, we have the initial balance high and low, like right next to each other, around 49300. 49300 would be literally above this area. Ooh, honestly, that could be like my next short. Take that liquidity up here, the initial balance and the initial balance high and low are both around that area. And then you also have the value area high of the London session at 49300 as well. Honestly, that would be my next short area up here. I think that's going to be my next short area, honestly, from up here. Let's take that off. You know what?
Are you putting your boxes?
Yeah, I am. Oh, I need to put that box now. Yeah, that's a new idea. So let me put that box there. Thank you for reminding me.
Oh yeah, fuck! I haven't done any of my
So
trader
funny.
checklists. So
are you putting your boxes, honey?
Honey, did you do the thing?
Did you do the laundry?
Did you do the thing?
Can you take out the trash, sweetie? So, it actually looks as though that this cup and handle could play out. It looks as though that could end up playing out if we come up from here.
Oh yeah, I wanted to give a quick shout out. Big shout out to Sean LFCYNWA on Twitter. They retweeted the Team YouTube thing. So if you guys are just joining, we got a channel strike that was false, and so we need you guys to help go over to Twitter. Links in the description box below. Retweet that tweet. Tell Team YouTube they can go suck a big fat whatever. Again, if you guys have questions, send them over to our Instagram. We will get to those in a second. Yeah.
So yeah, that's gonna be my next short area. But yeah, you can clearly see that we're getting resistance at this point of control. Did you turn the music off?
I think it just stopped. No, it's too low. It's really low.
You want to turn it up?
Yeah, there you go. I think it just starts off really, really low. So I'll just delete that song.
Okay.
Let's do
So yeah, this would be my next. But then again, I mean, yeah, for like a scalping, this would be.
We're all country now.
Still can't hear anything.
You can't hear nothing?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I think it's because if I can only share my sound with you if I'm sharing my screen.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
That's how it works.
So it would be like this. This would be that short, like that. Initial balance high, initial balance low. Take that liquidity. You have this golden pocket there. Yeah. Okay. That's gonna be my next setup. So I'm gonna. I actually got some questions on Instagram, I guess. Do you have an update?
No, I'm just going through my trader checklist. You can do whatever you want to do.
Okay. So yeah, I actually got some questions here. The OG Skywalker, what's up? Champion here, not really a day trader. Been busy with work, so for a long-term holder, where do you think next major pullback will occur? Are you talking about Bitcoin or the OG Skywalker? Yeah, are you talking about Bitcoin or are you talking about like any coin in particular? Like I have
Can you go
price
back to the
targets for
Bitcoin chart while you're answering the question?
I have price targets for Bitcoin, which is my price target for my next price target for Bitcoin is 54,000. So 54,000 is my next target. After that, I have 62,000. But other than that, I haven't done enough like TA to figure out where the next level would be after that. But yeah, I hope that's what you're asking about Bitcoin. But yeah, that would be once we hit 54,000, then I could see us like getting a nice like 20 to 30% like retracement all the way back down to like 38,000. Call Shaman, kicking ass. Let's go. Keep that long. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Call Shaman. Gonna shout you out here. For show. Guys, follow this guy on Instagram. Nick Copia, can you show how you set up your exo charts? That is actually something that you would need to join Chart Champions about, because we get our templates like from the group. So if you go over to Chart Champions and you join that membership, you can get like every single setup.
Don't forget to share the Bitcoin chart while you're answering the question.
Oh, right. So yeah, and then also, yeah, thank you for the follow, Nick, Cal Shaman, JV, Hussian, thank you, OG Skywalker, thank you guys. I'm gonna pull the chat. I'm gonna pull the chart back up. But yeah, I mean, my next area, it looks as though the value area high might line up with the 786. I don't think it does. It's slightly above. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of confluence for like a scalp short here at this 618 area. There's a lot of confluence for a scalp there. I think what I would do would place it at the 618 level, and then the 618 level, or actually I guess yeah, I would actually just place it at the 618 level here, and then just for a 0.5% move back down to the point of control. That's what I would do. That's gonna be my next setup, because I don't like trading like in the actual middle of the range. We're in the middle of the range right now, and yeah, nothing to update with currently. I have nothing to update. Nothing. So now I'm just waiting.
Do you see this on the 15-minute and 30-minute? We hit the EMA to the dollar basically on that low. Son of a fucking bitch.
The 15-minute and the 30-minute?
Yeah, if you have the Bollinger Band EMA thing that Daniel has, we hit the EMA to like the dollar, and we bounced up from there.
Which EMA?
I don't know which one. It's like as soon as you turn.
Oh, the 100. Oh wow!
Look at that white line.
To the you mean on the 30-minute chart?
It doesn't matter. No, the 15-minute, the white line right there. The white EMA, we just hit it to the dollar, or the yellow on the 30-minute.
Yeah, there's a lot of support. This is just a massive support area.
I'm just going through my trader checklist, and it's like, okay, well, I should have. Anyways.
Been looking at that, yeah.
I deserve it.
Pretty sure. Let's see. Did we hit anything else on the hour? Yeah, we hit the 26 EMA on the hourly as well. Let's see. Haven't hit the 20. Haven't hit the 12 on the.
We're super bullish on all the EMAs too, still from like 30-minute up.
Yeah.
I have to look at the previous day levels. I am actually doing my trader checklist. Isn't that crazy?
Can I see?
Me just go through it? You want me to just do it real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, actually, I want to get to some of the questions from some of the people in the chat.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
Might as well if we have some downtime. Okay. Let's bring this over. Boom. All right. So we don't have any questions from Instagram. So let's see here. ETH breaking out today, headed to 22. So again, all of these questions up here, if you guys really have a question that you want answered, this is why you're gonna have to hit me up on Instagram. So I'm just taking the first come first serve from what I see. ETH breaking out. So let's go over some ETH. And yeah, see if we can get the likes up if you guys want to. So yeah, the priorities are Instagram messages and donations. So let's go over some ETH. Some Ethereum. Let's do this. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, so I want to say maybe that's what it's looking like right there. Down here, possibly. 786, 886. Yeah, so currently with Ethereum, we've been, as you guys can see, I've been calling for this green area as a support for the past couple of days. We have this resistance, support, support. So, are we going to make this kind of, if we start to form this M pattern, if we take the measured move for that M pattern, we'll say, I think it's like this. That could put us down to somewhere around here, which, oh, look at that. It hits my next green box. So, yeah, I would say that Ethereum is also sitting in this... Oh, I gotta delete this right here. Delete this. Ethereum is still sitting in this nice and sexy channel that we have right now. So we also have this M pattern right here lining up with the midpoint of the channel. So this could be the next area to possibly get into a long on. Possibly. But we do have possible local bearish market structure. And I'm about to get stopped out of my short. Just got stopped out of my short. So I have to go back to that and make a recording of that. Okay. Stuff. Let's go down to this. All right, just got stopped out of the short right here that I was in. But I'm in this long, so now that I'm out of the short, it's time to come back down here, stop me out of my long, and then push up from there. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so let's go back to Ethereum. And again, guys, go ahead and put your questions in the chat or direct message us. Reading the chat, obviously, already. Let's see, what's your opinion on the current dips? So I'm going to get to that next. Again, it's a super random, so the next thing we're talking about is, well, the current dips, let's just say. I don't know what you mean by what the current dips are, but I mean the dips are clearly being bought back up. As soon as we have a dip, they're just being bought back up. So it's like, let's just look at all of these dips. Dip, bought up, dip, bought up, dip, 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 dip right here, dip right here, dip right here, dip right here. So they're all just being bought back up. So this, what makes me, you know, why would I think that this dip is going to be any different? You know what I mean? So, and we're finding we are bouncing off of this really, really strong support right here. So yeah, I would say that longs are probably the better opportunity here. And so yeah, thank you for that question. So let's get back over to Ethereum. I'm so hungry, man. I'm so hungry. ETH. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, oh wow, and the midpoint of the channel also lines up with the money line as well. So this right here is looking like a possible good entry. So what I'm gonna do is set my alerts for this area for a possible long entry if TradingView actually wants to work. That would be really nice. I'd appreciate that. Thank you, TradingView. So I'm gonna set my alert right here. Holy monkeys, why is this thing going so slow? Look at this. What, like, look at this. And screw this. Let's just look over here. Alright, let's take a quick look over here. You guys keep those questions coming up. I see it here. Hi Neo, can you go over quick XLM, X and XRP? You only get one coin per question, so I see XLM first, and then maybe I'll let Brandon go over XRP since he loves XRP.
I can do XRP.
So yeah. I'm gonna go over XLM. So yep, keep those questions coming. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. So
if you guys want XRP to be done, just tap the like button.
Yeah, Brandon, if you want Brandon to go over XRP, hit the like button.
If you want us to do XRP, you guys have
not
to
us.
You have to.
You want Brandon.
If you want me to do it. If you want me, Brandon, to do XRP, you got to get the like button up to 150, at least.
150. What are we even at right now?
103.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Yeah, we got to get up to at least 200. 200.
If you want XRP to be done by me, you have to get that shit up to 150, or we're not.
If you want XRP to be done by me, you got to get the likes up to 150. 150. Oh, dropping the mic on these fools. Dropping the mic on these fools. Damn, son. Add alert. Boom. Adding alert right here, because if price comes down to here, I want to take a look to see what's going on, because obviously this has been a very, very strong support so far, and the midpoint of this channel has also been a pretty strong support. So that's what I'm looking at right there on Ethereum. So thank you for that question. And yeah, so let's go ahead and XLM, this person said. I need to redo this list right here. Get rid of this. I need to do this list. Okay, so we have that. So let's just, how do I change the name of this? BTC pairs. And then I need to make a new list. Make a copy. How do you make a new list? Create new list. That's how you do it. Alt USD pairs. There we go. XLM USD. And I guess Coinbase, Kraken. This is Binance, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Bittrex. This. I don't know. Well, I don't know which one of these has the most data, so that's all. I'm going to try to find which one has the most data. Which one of these bad boys has the most? So this one goes to here. Oh, wow. What is this massive gap here? So this one clearly loses. This one looks like it's... Oh, no. Did I delete the best one? Oh, no. So clearly this one's a no. This one's a no. This one's a no. This one's no. I think I accidentally deleted the best XLM. Ah, are you kidding me? Which one was that? XLM USD? Was it Bittrex? Yeah, it was this one. Capital Calm or whatever this is. All right, so we'll leave Capital Calm. What? So Capital Calm, here we go. What do I think of XLM? Wow, holy monkeys. This thing is huge. Look at that.
Holy monkeys.
If you would have just bought back in January, dude, any altcoin you buy back in January, you're just completely and totally mooned. So we literally have hit the golden pocket zone and we're getting a pullback, so it's no wonder. We also have massive bearish divergences between this and this. So I think that this bearish divergence is going to last forever. So probably, in my opinion, it's possible that we could get a nice little pullback here because of how massive that divergence is on the daily. And let's take a look here. Let's see what levels that we've got. If we take a look at this, and you guys, oh wow, we got a donation here from Dylan. So I will make sure that I get to that after this. Where's my viewer activity? Hello? No viewer activity? Okay. Oh, it's just $10. Oh, so it's just a random $10 donation with nothing else? Dude, hell yeah. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. So, yep. And again, I do see these guys, Dash, XRP, all this other stuff. So keep the questions coming. So we have this right there. We have this. Again, Brandon, if you see anything on Bitcoin, I'm seeing some weakness. I'm seeing some weakness going on right now. On the CC line, massive amounts of weakness, but does that mean anything? I already got stopped out of my short. Do I get in another one? Let's see if there's any RSI divergences. There's still RSI divergences, but I don't know if I really trust these. This is possible that we're going to just go sideways and start wrapping around the money line. So, I don't know. I have my alerts set. I'm not going to trade until we take those highs.
The volume,
or any type
the
of lows.
volume right now is so low. It's just so low.
So we have these highs to take on XLM, and I think the price. How do you show? Anyways, yeah, so we're sitting right here on XLM. We're just getting a little tiny bit of a pullback. Maybe the next area that XLM could be looking for a support would be this. You know, you had a resistance right here. So this could be a pullback to here to bounce back up. Either that, or I would say that this area right here would probably be the next area of support that I'd be looking at for XLM to get a bounce from. So let's go ahead and say if that's the top and we're going to get a pullback. We have the 618 all the way down here. But that could possibly be, you know, so you have these three areas that I'd be looking for a support resistance flip. So if XLM does get a pullback, I'd want to be looking, and again, this is what I would do. None of this is financial advice. But I'd be setting alerts right here around 47,647. Then the next area after that, if that fails, I'd be looking for this support resistance flip area right here, which is around 38,386. And then if that fails, I'd be looking for this area around 23,929. Those are the three areas that I'd be looking for XLM to get a pullback from. And then I would also be setting my alerts if up here if we take the high, because then that means if we're pushing up, we're probably going to push up to want to take these highs right here. And so those are the areas that I'd be looking for, like breakout trading and stuff like that. Or if I wasn't in a long, I'd be looking to breakout trade this possibly, or I'd be looking to get back in at those three levels right here, here, and here that I just said. So thank you for bringing up that question on XLM. Yeah, so if you guys have any more questions, I think XRP is next from Brandon as we're coming up. So Brandon, if you're still there.
Yeah, I'm actually just setting my stop loss. Hold on.
All right. So yeah, thank you guys for that question. Do you read IG DMs? I've sent you some, but you ignore them. What's your IG? Whoever this is, Cap Crump or Crump Heavy, Crump Pack Do Heavy. What is your IG? Let's see. Yeah. Tell me what your IG is, because it's clear as day that I do go over these. I mean, I answered this one, I answered this one, I answered this one. Oh yeah, David. David, hey mate, can you check out how crazy ETH has gone? Yeah, I basically checked that out, so thank you very much. Let's see.
Place an alert.
Do you think the India crypto ban will have a big impact on crypto? No way. No ban in any country is going to have any type of effect on any type of cryptocurrency ever. That's never going to happen.
Maybe short term, but
maybe, I don't know. But yeah, long term, I mean, look at XRP. XRP is getting supposedly annihilated in the United States, but yet it's still pumping like there's no tomorrow. So it's like one country, you have to understand, cryptocurrencies are global. So one country doesn't mean shit for a cryptocurrency. I mean, maybe if it's the United States or some like big country, if there's some type of ban, it might cause some FUD or some pumpage like the Elon Musk, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really, you know, it really matters what the world thinks. All right, but Brandon, yeah, it's whenever you want to go over some XRP.
Okay.
I'm just answering these questions. Have you seen Link lately? Nope. I'll do Link next after Brandon is done. Oh yeah, I have to answer this question from Stick Shift Sam. So go ahead.
You want to answer that?
No. You go ahead. I'm gonna DM him on the.
Okay. Discord. So yeah, I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna update on this long that I have. So I'm taking my first take profit up where I'm about to short. I'm gonna take this scalp short for a 0.5% move back down to the point of control, and that's gonna be where I'm taking my first take profit on the long. Not that long. That's the scalp long that I got stopped out on, but my swing long. That's my first take profit, and then once we come back down, test the point of control, hopefully come back up, I'll be targeting all-time highs to let that ride. But let me go to XRP. This is on the Bitfinex chart. Let me zoom out. Let me just do a top down. You could see here that I clearly like XRP. Yeah, so you have a monthly here at 43 cents. You have a monthly here at 58 cents, which I would really hope that we close the weekly above that in order for us to potentially continue higher to the monthly. You have this monthly here at 66 cents. And then let's go down to the weekly. You do have this weekly level, which is pretty important that we pumped through. However, it's been really demolished that weekly, so I kind of want to take that off my chart. And let's see. Let me hide these. Let's hide these. You can clearly see, like, so this is when we were pumping. The SEC FUD came out. Massive dump. You got this massive pumpage again, and we're currently like retracing this entire move up, and it's just like continual higher lows. And so this is the monthly that we're currently battling to stay above 58 cents, and the weekly closes in 7 hours. So the last time we closed above this was when the SEC like FUD came out. And yeah, obviously you can point to like the news, but technically there's a technical reason why we dumped from here, and it's because of this monthly here. We couldn't hold above this monthly. We also like double topped here at 78 cents, but also, let's see, I think this is a double. Oh no, let me put that back on the chart.
If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. We live stream every single day.
Here. No, not that. Hold on. Hide this. Oh man, the screen is so small. Yeah, so it's basically that monthly. We rejected from that monthly and then came back down, retested it again, and now we're about to retest it as well again. So um let's zoom down to the daily. So yeah, you can clearly see we came up, pumped, literally came down, tested the golden pocket, held this previous support, and we've just been rallying up. And now what happened is
I just
we
took
broke
profit.
through. We broke.
You probably want to
through
check
the...
Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin is going up actually.
I just took profit.
Okay.
Took that long off that money line. There you go.
Very nice.
Now we got the initial balance coming in here pretty soon of New York.
Yeah,
again.
a bunch of longs are taking profit right now.
We have the
These
weekly
are all
value
longs
area
taking
high.
profit.
Yeah, the long
Why did you
volatility
why
is-
did you take profit there?
Because it was just a high.
Oh fuck, we literally tested a 618.
Yeah, and 618.
Oh man. Yeah, if you pull the fib from where the impulse came down, man. If you pull the fib from where the impulse started, but I'm pulling my fib from literally the high. So I'm still expecting us to go take those highs before coming down. Oh yeah, so back to XRP.
Wait, I thought you were talking about this is an area you want to short.
We haven't got up to my short yet. I have my order placed.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you can clearly see like we're just making these higher lows. Higher low. Higher low, higher low, higher, just another higher low. And yeah, I mean this chart looks like it's just wanting to pump like nasty. And my target would be, because I know you XRP holders, I'm an XRP holder. We love those damn price predictions. So I gotta get everybody extremely excited about this. So the -1 that lines up with the weekly is at $1.34. I think once we get above this monthly at 83 cents, the FOMO is going to start. And because you can clearly see like on the daily after that monthly, if it's gonna load. After that monthly at 83 cents, like there is like barely any resistance on the chart. Once you get above this area, more specifically like the dollar, once you get above the dollar, it's like there's no yeah, there's this like small weekly level, but it's like this is a weekly level. So yeah, once we get above that dollar area, it's just kind of like it's go time. Because I mean this is a massive inefficiency. massive inefficient. There's no support made on the way down, so that means there's no resistance on the way up. Oh my goodness, it's just, yeah. Actually, these are my targets. First target $4, second target $5.20, third target $6.50, and then my ultimate target $8.40. So when that's gonna happen, I have no idea. But those are my main targets on XRP. I hope you enjoyed that. Is there what else is there going on in the chat? I didn't get any Instagram. I did not get any more Instagram DMs or anything.
Yeah, I would just say whatever you see in the chat, first come, first serve. But, you know, if you really have a question, message us on Instagram or send a donation. But in the chat,
hit us up on Instagram. If you want, we will shout you out here. If you shoot us a follow, we'll shout you out on screen. Nick Copia, Kyle Shaman, Javith Hushin, the OG Skywalker. I like that Instagram handle, the OG Skywalker. So yeah, shoot us a DM on Instagram. Yeah, let's check the chat. What is going on in the chat? Did we even get up to 150 likes? Yeah, we did. We got up to 315. Okay. Wow. No, we did not even get up to 150 likes, and I actually did the XRP update.
Yeah, we're not even at 150 likes. Jesus Christ.
Well,
so I see somebody say take a look at Dash. I'm seeing some Dash, so maybe you want to look at Dash, or if you want to give yourself a little bit of an update on what's going on with Bitcoin. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, Bitcoin is still heading up right now. We're continuing back up to the. Oh, actually, XO charts is just lagging. Never mind. That already happened. But we're actually super close to my first take profit on that long, and we're actually super close to me entering my short. So that's good. Tis good. Tis very, very good.
Yeah, I guess in hindsight for me, my first take profit was a scalp take profit instead of holding it for a day trade take profit. And I shouldn't have moved my stop until that happened.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Yeah, well, you didn't say that, so.
I said what I said. No, I literally said word for word that was a scalp setup.
No, but you were talking about. I thought you were talking about my my stop loss was a scalp setup. You weren't talking about my take profit was a scalp setup. You were literally talking only about my stop loss.
If you close out with the 0.5% move, or like a 0.5% profit, that's like a scalp. I don't see that being a day trade. How could it be? I mean, maybe for you, I don't know, but in my definition, that's a day trade.
Your definition don't mean shit.
Shit, I mean, I can show you the data. I mean, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing with these day trades. So I mean, I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like. So I mean, like, I don't know. I don't really know if you can say the same. You know,
I can't say the same.
You got it like that, you know.
I don't got it like that.
That's what I'm saying. So that don't call.
Man, just answer the questions and the people from the chat stop talking your shit.
I don't see any questions.
What do you mean? They're just saying. People are saying ADA. Somebody said Dash. Somebody said.
Oh, do you want me to do ADA? I mean,
if you want to read what the chat says, you can do whatever you want. Oh no! Somebody, there's a guy that messaged me, asked me to look at ETC.
Yeah. DMs come first.
Yeah, somebody
Guys,
DM'd
if you have any questions, the DMs in Instagram have priority over your messages in the chat.
Yep. So somebody messaged me, can you do this? They asked for to look at ETC, Ethereum Classic. It's interesting. Check it out. And Stick Shift Sam, if you're still listening, I direct messaged you on Instagram. Are you gonna go over Ethereum Classic, Brandon? It's up to you if you want to or not.
Sure, yeah, I can do that. Well, Bitcoin is actually getting resistance. I think it's because of that 618. Yeah. Dang it, I pulled the fib from the wrong area. I mean, there is no right or wrong area. It's just...
I'm waiting for us to take that high.
Might take profit. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to take... My short entry is like literally at that high.
We're putting
Do you have a short there too?
Not yet. I want to see what the reaction is going to be like.
But yeah, when you pull the fib from here to here, excuse me, when you pull the fib from here to here, yeah, we clearly hit the 618, but when it's from here to here, you still haven't hit it. So I think these are shorts opening actually, and longs closing. It's a combination of both. But it actually really, wow, there's a combination of 8 million, and this shit, wow, it's kind of like barely moved. Oh wow, we had 1 minute bearish divergences. Oh fuck, I missed that. Okay, here, let me show you guys. You see it? You have your higher high, then you have your higher low. Yeah, I missed it. Well, I mean, I missed it because I was waiting for us to come up to the higher CC pull. So my focus was like so on this pull that I didn't even see the I didn't even try to look in to see what was going on here. But I mean, this could be that playing out, and then we could still continue higher. So I'm not really tripping. I'm still thinking that, yeah, we take this high before continuing back down to the point of control of this range. So yeah, ETC, you said, Neo? Was that ETC?
Yeah, ETC Ethereum Classic from David.
I wonder if he has any. I guess it doesn't matter what exchange. We could just do Kraken. Kraken's probably been around the longest.
I just add all of them and then click through each one of them to see whichever has the most data, and then I just leave the one that does.
Okay, this looks like more than enough. So we have our monthly up here at $21. We have another monthly here at $11.20. We also have, we could put a monthly here as well at $16.95. And so what you want to see is you want to see a monthly close above this monthly level. That is a ways away from now, but you are going to get a weekly close probably above that level. And let's pull a fib from here to here to the lows here. Looks as though we're like up against 0.32 resistance. Not quite there yet. Just go down to the weekly. Yeah, so you're gonna get that, probably that weekly close above this, which is pretty bullish. Yeah, this was a very long. This was consolidating for how long? It was consolidating for December 2018. Wow, like a year and a half consolidation. 2 years. This has been consolidating for over 2 years down here. Wow, I mean, that's massive accumulation for sure. And now you find, I mean, dude, it's just so hard for me not to say that like the bull run has started. Like we're in the bull run has started. Like you just look, you can pull up so many altcoin charts that look like this, where they bounce from their lows, and it's just like pump season. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
We got a donation.
Yeah, you already have it daily. We already have a daily up above there.
Fucking, dude, my internet is dying, but we got a donation, so we'll read that.
But
after.
I want to see. Yeah, I want to see this monthly level held for like a few days. once you get like that monthly close above here, you know, and it holds, yeah, I think you easily come up to this high right here, $25. I think that lines up with the 0.5. Yeah, lines up really well with the 0.5. So yeah, that's my thoughts. That's my thoughts on Ethereum.
Ethereum classic.
Maybe if you want to take it over. I'm getting really tired.
No, I was saying stick shifts.
Like my shoulder's fucking killing me from having been on the mouse for so long.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to like lay down, but my computer's just so fucking slow. Because my stomach is killing me a little bit. But stick shift Sam, okay. I'm not replying on Instagram, I'm replying on Discord. But somebody's asking, they sent over €5 or £5 or whatever this is. They said, take a look at BUX, low cap 14 mil gym, and a company with 2 million users on their platform. So BUX, I could take a look at that if you're getting tired. Yeah, I really wanted to lay down for a second, but fucking.
How long have we been streaming for? We've been streaming for almost 3 hours.
This is nothing, man. I'm trying to go for days. No, I'm just kidding. Right now, there's nothing happening.
If you guys are enjoying this TA, hit the subscribe button.
There's like 300 people here. Button. We might as well just end it.
Okay. I mean, I think yeah, we might as well just end it. I was gonna say, like, if we can get up to here on the likes.
Yeah, we keep getting more likes and the concurrent viewers just keep going down, so it's not even really worth it. And nothing is happening on Bitcoin, so yeah, so I just wanted to point this out really quickly. Again, right here, this guy has this brandation. Take a look at BUX, so I appreciate that. We'll go ahead and do that really quick for you. Oh, the viewers went up now. That's interesting. I'll do that right now. BUX. And then after this, I really have to lay down. My stomach is going.
Dude, yeah, insane. My shoulder is killing me. Oh, wow.
Are you still coming over today?
Yeah. Later though. Oh, I gotta eat. I have to eat.
Yeah, so do I.
I'm hungry.
Dude, I've fasted. I've been fasting. That's crazy. I woke up at 5. Could have shorted this. Never mind. I'll go over that in my recap. What the fuck? Oh, BUX. Okay. So BUX. USD. What? There is no BUX. This Bucks BTC on KuCoin? What is this? BUX coin market cap? Bucks token? Currencies, Bucks coin. Dude, look at how slow this is. What is this doing? Bucks token, BUX. Where is this thing at? It is only on KuCoin. Okay, and you can only do Bucks BTC. What is this? What's the difference between this and this? Bucks coin, and this is Bucks token. Coins. Bucks, Euro, Bucks. P2P, peer-to-peer, B. What? Anyways, all we have is Bucks BTC on KuCoin. So I will add this to the BTC pairs. Bucks BTC. All right, there it is. It's added. Wow. I mean, again, this is just the same story over and over and over again. In January, you buy every single altcoin there is on the market, and then you'll just be rich. So, yeah. Wow, I mean, that's... I don't even know what to say. What can you really say? Except that my internet's going slow. I mean, it's been hitting the shitter for this one. If you're looking at the USD price, it looks like it's just been going down and down and down and down and down and down and down. But this is the Bucks coin. If this is the Bucks token that's on KuCoin, then yeah, I mean, it just absolutely skyrocketed recently. Is USD... Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty insane. As far as Bucks goes, I mean, we're sitting at the like 90 something RSI, so maybe that thing's gonna come flying back down. Dude, the live, look at this. This is how slow my internet is. It's like the live chat won't even load. This won't even load. So I think I'm just gonna have to, I think we might just have to end this because none of, like, my internet's dying or something's happening.
Okay.
Let's see. Let me try to completely reload YouTube. Let's get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. What is this? Get rid of this.
Get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. Get rid of this, get rid of
What is
that, get
this?
rid of this, get rid of that. What? Yeah, I gotta... Oof, I think I gotta call it a day on the stream.
Me too.
I am... Oof.
Yeah, this thing is not loading. YouTube's not loading. I can't see the chat anymore. I'm getting tired. Brandon's tired. Let's see. I don't know how to bring this back yet. Yep. I'm done. I'm getting frustrated. Alright guys, I have no idea what happened. I can't see the chat anymore. It's completely screwed. So thank you guys